has become absolutely our favorite piece of equipment in the kitchen. With the Vitamix, with our Vitamix, you can make smoothies, hot soups, and in this container, you can do a small serving or a larger serving. It's very easy to rinse out, as you've seen in the video. There is the pulse, the amount of speed you would like when you blend, the start stop, and the on off button. You could pour through here. This comes off and you can pour liquids or your fruit, veggies, whatever you like through here. And this is a great rubber material. It seals tightly in here. And this will be your best friend in the kitchen for years to come.